Good afternoon, guys. Thursday, a very cold Thursday today. It's a very cold one. The, it means the rest of the weekend it might be cold, guys. Yo, right. I want to discuss the US dollar CHF setup with everyone. Okay, just before I jump to the US dollar CHF, this is a group that I'm running. You notice that there's no group, no longer group for Telegram that I've been running. I don't have group for Telegram anymore. That uh, a free group. I only have this group and also the paid monthly service of a Telegram. All right. But I just want to talk about this one that is happening on the Discord channel, guys. Okay. This is a group that is a lifetime savings, signal savings. It's actually the community service, guys. As you see the channels there on the side, they are going. I'm just going to arrange those channels on the side there. We've got as I'm calling it a community group. We've got the channel where I've made it for guys in the group to make a group fun, as it is a lifetime service, and they can post their chat. We've got this guy Abraham here. He was posting his chart so far. Ever since this group has been changed to a lifetime service group, I've been seeing Ibrahim posting lovely, beautiful charts on that Discord there. So if you are willing to access the activity that is happening on that Discord channel, and also I'm posting the monthly setups signals on this channel. As you can see, June, we've already posted some. Some of them are in profit. Some of them we've lost them. You see, the one that I marked green here, we've already made profit with those ones. The pound yen, pound yen, pound euro pound. You can see is moving like lovely. This one, we are just close to the target. We're expecting that if it gets to that level, it might start giving us some correction, offering us a five-wave structure. This one is pushing, guys. Yeah, is pushing, and I believe that everyone in our group, we had this breaking out, and we take as per instruction. So we are just close to the scaling out. We are just here, massive pips. So we might see a bounce here and getting a corrective structure and continue to push up higher to the target set. That is this one, 90, 548. 548. This is a target. Scaling out is this one here. So we're leveling profit with this one, the pound yen. Uh, just recapping on this one, guys, just before I jump into the business that I want to discuss with you guys, which is the US dollar um, CHF. Okay, all right. Which one did we take as well? This one is done, guys. We took this one here on Friday, the 5. On Friday, I said people you can buy this, especially when the market opens. I think it was running in this level. Let's just see where it is. Just before it reaches that levels and creating a second entry. Let's see where this was. I'll show you guys the setups that we took in our group. All right, this is a setup. Okay, because we were expecting to buy this. Apologies, guys. We expected to buy this. We wanted a little drop, then we buy. So it happens as predicted. We've got a drop. We've got it here, maybe up to this level. Then we have it just to the pip because it went all the way up. And at this level, it gave us corrective structure. Therefore, we bought that structure again on the breakout. That is why it looks. Okay, guys, let me just shift. This thing is disturbing me. That is why it looks like this. I'll show you. Uh, I'll show you guys. I'm sending this because some guys they just ask me to 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 if they can see how we push in with this. So I've sent a group also on some of the groups channels. I've sent this. This is a silver set. It's beautiful in the breakout. So it breakout silver. It's running very nicely. It's about to reach that level. Okay, maybe it has reached it already, but it was going very nicely upside. The euro US dollar, we have this pushing very nicely also. Buy now for next week. I said last week they should buy on Friday. You see, on Friday just before the market closes, I say buy now for next week. They bought. The market started to do this. And eventually it went up. All right, they give a correction. I see now starting to push up again. Target is not yet reached, but we are continuing to push up for this one. That the euro US dollar. Okay, that is why it's marked green as well, because we're pushing lovely for this one. Pound, also pound, I see not so much, but a little bit, little drop that is happening yet on pound. We still want to push down, push lower with this one. Yeah, if you like, you can take it. All right. New Zealand, also New Zealand. We were monitoring this one. I also sent this one on my. You can see it on my YouTube channel. You'll see this one, guys. Last week I posted this one. I said we're expecting nothing but a drop here. So what did it do? It did that drop up. I think it will continue to drop as we want. That's what we sent last week. So we also have trades that we actually lose. Not everything that we actually make it. Gold. Uh, we saw all the mountains with gold, guys. Now we can see where we're heading to. We can see the target. We can see the light. As they say, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Gold did this spike like that, and it continued to rally. It is trading at this level. We're just close to this target set. So with the gold, that's what we are doing. On the Discord, also these signals are also on the Telegram channel. New Zealand CHF. Oh wow, this one is pushing very much nicely. I said people must sell at this selling soon. We sold here. Okay, we're pushing so nicely. We will see this target set also maybe next week. Okay, all right. Patiently, we are holding this one, guys. Pound dollar. These are the June signals. This is the activity we did on June. I said by now they bought. We saw the target in one day on this one, pound yen, pound dollar. Okay, not pound yen, pound dollar. Okay, this was just a forecast. This was just a forecast of the euro Australia. I was watching this one just before it will form the corrective structure that we bought up to this target. We bought this from the start to the target. This was just a forecast. I told the guys that I want this to drop and give that, but it didn't drop here as I wanted. Drop here so that you can buy. Actually, what did they do? They pushed up higher, come lower like that, giving us an expanded flat, and push up higher. We're done with this one. Right, we bought it right here and here. Okay, we bought it twice this one. Pound yen, pound euro Australia. You can see also there's updates, video updates here. Updates. I discuss setups on the video. All right, you don't just get a setup like that. You'll see them on the video. The pound, on the 3 June, 3rd June, I said they must buy now. They bought now. This rallied and hit the take profit one. We hit the take profit one. So what happened? We saw this coming down again here to this level. It gave us another entry as I've shown you. We've entered this. We continue to rally upside. We will see this target 2 as set. Okay. That's how we are we are pushing with our market structures. The ZAR, we lost this one. You see, it's mark. It was mark. I said they must buy this price. We are hoping this is gonna hold. It didn't hold. It continued to run it all the way to 1640 something. Okay, but we then bought again. This one we are in profit. Let me show you. I'll show you lower. We bought again. I said they must buy on the breakout above. So it it broke above as discussed on the group. This is what happened, guys. This is a structure. I wanted everyone to buy here on the breakout above. Didn't go so much. We had this spiking down here just before the breakout, and it came and break the structure. It is running over this level. We will see this soon. Okay, I set 1802, 18 rand, $1. That's what we want to see in our group. As I said, we've got video updates. This is the same thing that I post also on as I said to you, we have seen a second entry on this one. As I said to you, I wanted this to give this before it goes up. It didn't do that. In fact, they went up like that, gave us an expanded flat, didn't hit a stop loss because we entered here. Nearly ran to the stop loss, gave us this push to the upside, corrective structure, up. It is done by the breakout. So we're done with this one. This one, it was posted yesterday. It's done already. It's done. This one. I said they must sell a breakout. It didn't break out. It bounced here, push one more up like that. I see why they push one more up. They give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, down. They came and break like that. It's done also. This one. Okay. All are sent into the group. All are sent into the group. You can see. Not all of them are posted here. Not all of them are posted here. Okay. The trades that you take, guys. It's very much interesting. Okay. The June. We are still on the second week of June, guys. This channel that I wanted to talk about, this one, a Discord channel, guys, is costing $142. $142 to be in this channel. It's a lifetime service. I changed this channel from 2-year service to lifetime service. Yeah, because it's very nice to share this information with everyone. Unfortunately, you don't get it for free here, but it's $142. Yeah, it's $142, and $142. You pay it once, you get this service for free. But another thing that is very much interesting here, if you refer maybe 5 people to this channel who want to join this Discord, each of the people you referred, 5 of them, they'll be subscribing at $100 each, 5 of your people, and you get an excess. You personally, you'll get an excess of $50. $50, you get an excess of this at this lifetime savings. So if you referred 5 people, and those 5 people you referred to this group, each will be getting a discount. Then they will pay $100 each. And you as a referrer, you'll get an access into the group at a price of $50. All right. That's it. That's what you do. So people you referred, they get discount $200, and also you as a referrer, you get $50 access into the group. Lifetime, guys. Yeah, I don't need to pay monthly on this one. Okay, that's how it works. All right, let's jump to a setup that I actually want to discuss with you guys. The setup looks very much potential, this one. Yeah, okay, let's jump to it. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, let's jump to a setup. This is a setup, guys, of US dollar CHF, it has been flowing very nicely on this one. It has been flowing very nicely on this one. So we want this to flow to continue slide down and see this order block over this area before we see it rally to the upside. Okay, and we can also see it, and it might go and take out that equal highs. Then it will take them out. So as you can see them, if I have to draw a straight line, they will take them out. So the target can go up to that level. All right, I will send this one to the group. We had an impulse to the upside. We had an impulse to the upside here. Now we are having this as a corrective structure that is currently happening here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we want this to continue rallying upside. It looks nicely as a zigzag, this one, because if you see this corrective structure, we've got this as an impulse, and we have a three wave, 1, 2, 3 with a short C that is happening here, and we have another impulse that is coming down from here to the downside. So it looks very much longer than that one. So why this area is because here we can see a potential harmonic pattern. You know, harmonic pattern and waves, they work nicely because we are using a Fibonacci to spot out these moves here. All right, so expect a drop. There's going to be a drop. Still, we are continuing to drop over this area. CHF or the Swiss francs is going to be stronger for the rest of this week. Maybe you're going to start seeing next week a move that is going to the upside. So what we actually want here, we're going to be waiting for an entry as a group here. We're going to be waiting for an entry. You know how we trade this as an entry, maybe a correction, maybe to this level. Those are the level that we spot because we want to. This is a monthly service. We also have monthly services, and we have to have monthly records. Therefore, we're gonna wait for this to give us an entry, maybe next week or so. Then we spot to the upside that will be going here. And also, there's a correlation between this and DXY. It means if this is starting to push to the upside, we're gonna see DXY, Vavavoom on the DXY on the upside. We're gonna take this one up to this level and maybe hope for another corrective structure up until we break this structure, main structure. So we're gonna be trading into this up until we break this main structure. With the hope though that this will not come and bounce at this structure and do one more down here, because that's also possible. It can also come one more down to this level again. You know, maybe I don't know whether they will want to also bounce at this low, but they can. You know, the market can do this, bounce here, continue like that, come fell down and take out these lows, take these lows because before going to the upside. If that happens, we might be looking at the change of a structure on this one here. Okay, but either way, we're waiting for to get some action over this one to this one. That is the minimum we are going to trade next over next week. Okay, I hope most of you will be joining us on this setup. If you take an aggressive entry, you can take it, but I think it's about 200 over 200 pips that we are looking to trade just on this setup alone. You can make a good money on this setup. Okay, if you take it just at this boundary here, if you take it here to the upside, you take it with faith because you don't know what might happen. Okay, because what if it continue to push and they push it to take out these lows before they push to the upside? Okay, then you think that the setup is wrong. Setup is not wrong. It's just that you need to have a good risk reward entry that will take us to the upside here, and hopefully we get another correction that will take us to the boundary. because once we start to break this boundary, we're going to expect nothing, a breakout, a retest, and continue to the upside, and we take out these equal highs that we are looking at. Okay, that's the that's where we are looking to take this up to, guys. All right, below this video is my Telegram link. You can contact me um, if you want to be part of this. All right, cheers, guys. Have a lovely weekend, and hopefully CHF will be blessing you guys. Cheers.